Welcome to Electrokite. This video tutorial will take you through the download, installation, and use of your ElectroGuide lesson browser and your Electrokite lessons. In order to receive the download for the ElectroGuide and Electrokite lessons, you'll first need to create a user profile. You'll receive a link in email that will take you to the sign-up form where you can enter your information and create a password. When you hit submit, it will take you to the download page. Click the download button and your download will automatically start. You can go to your downloads folder where you'll find a compressed file and you just double click to decompress. You'll need Adobe Air to install the ElectroGuide. If you don't already have Air installed on your computer, our installer will ask you if you'd like to install it and will guide you through the process. It's really easy. If you'd like to prepare ahead of time, you can install Air now. Just go to get.adobe.com/air and you can click the yellow button to download and your download will automatically start. It's a really easy installation. It's just a double click on the installer once it's on your desktop. Once Air is installed, you'll be ready to install the ElectroGuide. Just double click the icon and the installer will walk you through the very easy process of installation. For easy access to your ElectroGuide, on a Mac, go to your Applications folder and drag the kite icon into your dock. On a PC, a shortcut is automatically created on your desktop. Okay, so let's open the ElectroGuide and go through some of the features. I'm first going to maximize my ElectroGuide window by using the button on the upper left-hand tab. The blue library button gives you a view of all the lessons available to you in your ElectroGuide library. So let's look at the sort feature. I'm going to click Math, Kindergarten, and Reading Language Arts, which shows me all the K Math and Reading Language Arts. Then I'm going to unclick those and just see what's available in 4th grade. I'm going to narrow it down to the Reading Language Arts in 4th grade that are available in my library. And now I'm going to search by keyword. So there are 2 activities pertaining to clocks. And I'm going to launch one out of the ElectroGuide. So here we are in clock patterns.
A pattern is a set of numbers or shapes that are repeated. Here's a basic shape pattern: circle, circle, triangle.
The ElectroGuide allows you to create playlists for easy lesson planning. Just click the plus sign, name your lesson plan, hit return, and then drag activities out of your library onto the name of the playlist. So that's another great feature. If you want to get rid of a playlist, you can hit the minus sign. If you need technical support or you want to contact us for any reason, you can launch electrokite.com right from your desktop ElectroGuide. You can also contact us through Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. The ElectroGuide catalog view shows every lesson available from Electrokite. Subscribers will have access to all of these lessons, plus an additional 15 or more added each month. You may want a copy of the ElectroGuide on a couple of computers. Just go to electrokite.com/login and sign in using your email and your password that you created when you first signed up. This will allow you to download the ElectroGuide again on an additional machine. Now that you know how to download, install, and use your ElectraGuide, let's go through a lesson. When you open a lesson out of the ElectraGuide, you arrive at the home screen with the title of the lesson and the Start button. When you're in a lesson, anytime you want to hide the cursor from view, just hit the space bar. Clicking Start brings you to the Explore screen. This screen introduces the topic. If you're new to using our lessons, you may want to view the directions. Click the compass rose in the toolbar to view directions. You can see that the robot gives audio instructions, the audio icon turns audio off and on, and the brainstorm icon opens a graphic organizer. Click on how to use each tool. This shows you the functionality of each icon in our toolbar. The house takes you to the opening screen or home page. The compass rose opens the directions. The light bulb opens the Explore screen. The gaming console icon takes you to the practice or activity pages. The pencil tool allows you to write on any brand of interactive whiteboard. The eraser clears the pen tool. The refresh button reverts each screen to its original state. Then there are the next and previous buttons that take you through the lesson pages. The Create page provides a more free-form and often fun way for students to review the content of the lesson and create their own examples. The Key opens keywords or vocabulary. The worksheet icon allows you to print a blackline master that complements each lesson. Okay, let's close out of this pop-up. Now we press the light bulb to go back to the Explore page. Now we'll click the console icon to get our practice pages.
Read each word and select the verb. Try to use it in a sentence.
The student taps his or her choice, and we see either try again with audio feedback, or good job. Using the pen tool, we can write a sentence using that verb. The key in the toolbar pops up our keywords. Now let's go to the Create page.
Use the verbs above to create your own sentences. Press the refresh button to start again.
Students can write their own verbs in the blank boxes at the bottom, or use the verbs at the top and make their own sentences. Here are some additional details. If we go back to our home page, we can view credits, report bugs, or make suggestions, and launch the ElectraKite website right from the activity. Let's look at a blackline master that accompanies this lesson. This is a printable worksheet that makes for a nice take-home review of verbs. This is printable right from the toolbar in this lesson. So now you're familiar with the ElectraGuide and the ElectraKite lessons. We anticipated that you might have a few further questions, so we prepared a short FAQ. Can I download the ElectraGuide and lessons on more than one computer? Yes, it will allow you to download on 2 computers, so you can access it from school and from home. Go to electrakite.com/login and use your email and password that you set up when you signed up to receive the first download. Does ElectraKite work on PCs and Macs? Yes, the ElectraGuide and our lessons work on all operating systems, including PCs and Macs. Is ElectraKite compatible with all interactive whiteboards? Yes, it works on Smart, Promethean, Mimeo, Polyvision, and all other interactive whiteboard brands. How much does it cost? It costs $4.99 per classroom per year, all access, meaning all grades and all subjects. Significant discounts are available for pilot participants. Please contact our sales team at sales@electrakite.com. How many lessons do I get if I purchase the curriculum? There will be 40 lessons available September 1st, 2011, and 15 or more lessons added throughout each month starting in October 2011. What do I do if I'm having technical difficulties? For any technical problems, contact support@electrakite.com. Are these lessons aligned to standards? Yes, all of our lessons are aligned to National Common Core standards. You can see the standard or standards that each lesson aligns to in the ElectroGuide. Here's some key information. For support, please contact support@electrokite.com. For sales and pricing inquiries, please contact sales@electrokite.com. Beta testers receive significant discounts. Please contact sales@electrokite.com for information about our subscriptions. Thank you for piloting ElectroKite's curriculum and software platform. On December 5th, 2011, we will send a 10-question survey to ask you about your experience using the ElectroGuide and the lessons. Please refer any teachers or administrators who you think would enjoy test driving ElectroKite to electrokite.com/tryout. Thanks again, and we hope that you enjoy using the ElectroGuide and the ElectroKite lessons.